Are you looking for the best pet grooming vacuum kits? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best pet grooming vacuum kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AIRROBO PG 100 Dog Grooming and Vacuum Kit. Here's a detailed look at the AIRROBO PG 100 Dog Grooming and Vacuum Kit, model PG 100. What it offers, pros and cons, and what to watch out for before buying, especially in Bangladesh. Key features. Strong suction, up to 12,000 pascals for pet hair removal while grooming. Amazon. +1. 3 adjustable suction levels, allowing you to tailor it to the size/sensitivity of your dog. Amazon. +1. Low noise design. The lowest setting reportedly drops below 50 dB so it won't overly startle pets. Amazon. Large dust cup capacity, 2L, so you don't need to stop and empty often. Amazon. +1. Grooming attachments included 6 guide combs, 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, 18 mm, 24 mm, and grooming/clipping tools. Amazon. +1. Flexible hose, 4.9 feet/1.5 m, allowing you to keep the motor unit a bit apart from the pet if needed. Number 2. Neakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. Here's a detailed look at the Neakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum, sometimes labeled as 5-in-1. What it offers, pros and cons, and what to check before buying, especially for use in Bangladesh. Key features. On the official site for the P1 Pro, 9,000 pascal suction power, with a dust cup capacity of 1L. Neakasa. +1. Low noise design, specified as 52 dB, Eco Mode, for the P1 Pro variant. Neakasa. Proven grooming tools. Includes a grooming brush, de-shedding tool or rake, depending on version, electric clippers, with multiple guide combs, 3 mm, 6 mm, 12 mm, 18 mm, 24 mm, for hair length control. Neakasa. +1. LSO comes with vacuum accessories. Cleaning brush, crevice nozzle to help pick up loose hair from furniture/floor while grooming. Neakasa. According to the site, professional pet grooming vacuum kit efficiently removes pet hair and dander, providing a seamless pet groom experience. Neakasa. What makes it an appealing choice? If you have a dog and/or cat that sheds a lot, the combo of grooming plus vacuum in one unit is attractive. You can trim/brushing and immediately capture the loose hair instead of having it fly everywhere. The relatively quiet operation, 52 dB, is helpful. Many pets are sensitive to louder vacuums or clippers. The multiple attachments mean you can handle brushing, de-shedding, and trimming at home, potentially saving trips to a professional groomer. The vacuum accessory for furniture/floor means less mess after grooming sessions. Number 3. Dog Grooming Vacuum. You're looking at the One-Izol Dog Grooming Vacuum, Pet Grooming Vacuum with Clipper Plus Nail Grinder, 1.5L Dust Cup, 7-in-1 Grooming Tools, blue. Here's a breakdown of what it offers, plus pros/cons, and things to check especially for use in Bangladesh. The product claim, grooming and vacuuming all at once. That is, clippers plus vacuum built into the same kit. It states it can collect 99% of pet hair directly into the dust box during grooming. Amazon. +1. Dust cup capacity, 1.5L, for the version mentioned, with a detachable dust box for easier emptying. Amazon. +1. Noise level. Claims to operate at around 59 dB on low/normal settings, which is relatively pet-friendly. Amazon. +1. Multiple grooming tools included, brush, de-shedding tool, clippers, paw trimmer, nail grinder, cleaning brush, crevice tool, a full 7-in-1 kit. Amazon. +1. Suction and cleaning functionality. According to the LM2 model listing, very similar family, it lists max 12,000 pascals strong suction for removing pet hair, dander, and dust. One-Izol. From reviews, users appreciate the convenience of vacuuming hair while grooming, reducing mess. Number 4. Sharper Image, Mess-Free Pet Grooming Kit. Here's a breakdown of the Sharper Image Mess-Free Pet Grooming Kit, which appears very similar to your specified professional pet grooming vacuum kit. 5-in-1. What we know, what to check, and whether it's a good fit for you in Bangladesh. It claims to capture is almost equal to 99% of pet hair using its vacuum system while grooming. Sharper image. It includes multiple grooming combs, 6 trimming combs, for different hair lengths. Sharper image. Operates quietly. Listed as under 60 dB sound level according to the product description. Sharper image. Long cord/long suction hose. For flexibility while grooming. Sharper image. A full grooming kit. Clippers, grooming brushes, etc., per other listings. Chewy. +1. So, in short, it combines a grooming clipper plus vacuum capturing hair as you trim/brush, aimed at reducing mess. Number 5. Pecute Dog Grooming Vacuum. Here's a breakdown of the Pecute Dog Grooming Vacuum, 4-in-1 Pet Grooming Kit. 4-in-1 kit, covering its features, pros and cons, and what you should check if you're buying it in Bangladesh. Max suction claim, 12,000 pascals for hair removal, with 3 adjustable suction levels. Amazon, +2. Ubui Martinique, +2. Dust cup capacity, 1.5 L, which is relatively large for a grooming vacuum. Amazon, +1. Package includes 4 guard combs, 3 mm, 9 mm, 16 mm, 24 mm, for trimming different lengths. Pure Pupper, +1. Low noise design. Claims noise can go under 55 dB when on low suction level. Pure Pupper, +1. Additional attachments for home cleaning. Roller brush, crevice tool, detachable hose, almost equals 5.2 feet, and extended cord, almost equals 7.8 feet, for versatility. Pure Pupper. Easy to detach and clean dustbin and filters, one-click detachment design.